And we have some news just coming in at this point in time, getting you details from the Tirumala Trust, the heat of which is on errant officials. 18 non-Hindu Tirumala staffers have been banned. Staffers have taken part in non-Hindu rituals is what we know. Staffers asked to retire or get shunted out. That's the information that we have at this hour. And straight across to Apurva for more on what happened there. Apurva, break this down for us.
Well, Sneha, what we do know is that there has been a kind of resolution that has been passed at the TTD board meeting that had taken place, in which what they had said earlier on, TTD's chairman B.R. Naidu had stated that non-Hindus in the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam and Tirupati Devasthanam affiliated institutions, there will be action taken against them. Either they can opt for VRS or they will be asked to leave, is what we had heard from the TTD chairman there. And now what we are seeing is that there has also been an order that has been passed in the recent resolution, wherein it says that there were 18 non-Hindus who were participating in non-Hindu rituals and practices, which is why the TTD has taken a decision to go ahead and bar them from participating in any further TTD activities as well. Not only that, the order that has been given also appeals that either they can opt for voluntary retirement service VRS, or they can opt for requesting for transfer to other departments. That's the latest that we are getting. Remember, earlier on this had become a huge controversy because we've seen several devotees and staff of the TTD there themselves who are Hindus and people from other religions who have come together for seva there at the TTD. And now we're seeing that with this order that has been passed in the latest board resolutions that had taken place, chaired by B.R. Naidu there, the TTD chairman, things are yet again stirring up, as this will be, raise several questions as to what will happen next. The TTD board has also said that they will not look lightly on these 18 people, the non-Hindu staffers who have gone ahead and violated the norms, is what the TTD board is taken cognizance of, and it's also gone on and said that there will be action that will be taken against these people. This apart from an option provided to them, which is either they can opt for a VRS from here or they can opt for a transfer from the TTD board institutions.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Apurva Jayachandran getting us up to speed with those details as far as the latest controversy involving the Tirumala board is concerned.